Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video, we are going to learn about what exactly is nested if and how we can use the concept of nested if in our Python programs. So without further ado, let's get started with it. Talking about nested if, then if there is an if condition and inside that if condition there is again another if condition, then such situation we call it to be nested if. Now let's see an example how to implement nested if in Python. So in order to do that, let's create a file. Now let me write the code first so it will be helpful. Now discussing this program, then at line number 1, first of all, a variable named name would be there which has been initialized admin. Then after the flow will move to line 2 wherein a variable age will be there in which 23 would be assigned. Now at line number 3, first of all a check would be there that whether or not the name is identical to admin. So over here we can see that yeah, it's true. So since it was true, then it will move to line number 4. Had the name been not admin, then the flow would have went to line number 8. So now in this case, since it is true, then it will move to line number 4. And again a check is there that age is greater than 18 or not. So this is what nested if is. See here you can see that at line 3 there is a if condition. Now, if that if condition satisfied, then again inside it there is an if condition. So this is what nested if is there. So now talking about the flow, then in line number 4 again a check is there that age is greater than 18 or not, and we can see that it's true. So it will move to line number 5, and access allowed would be printed. So this wraps our video on nested if. I hope you understood the things, and still if you have any doubts then feel free to drop it in the comment section. Thank you.